Hello guys and welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use a multimeter. This is a simple multimeter and it's easy to use. What we're gonna test today is two batteries. One is wasted and the other one is fully charged. So one will be weak. Let's see how to tell which one. So let's start by setting the multimeter to the voltage to the lowest mark possible. 20 will do. Let's put the leads in. The black goes in the first slot, the red one goes in the second slot. Make sure they are fully plugged in. Let's start with this one. Very important to follow the marks, the plus and the minus on the battery. So plus goes for red and the minus for black. This is a 1.5 voltages. Let's see how much we have inside. This is the one fully charged, so it's indicating 1.6. That's not a problem, it's all right. Let's do the next one. 1.35, 1.3 volts. So this is the one weak, is a weak battery. As well, with the multimeter you can test stuff like resistance and many other things, but let's stick to the basic, to the voltage. You can always check your car battery, your remote control battery as well. You can check these batteries. Let's see, this one has 3 voltages. Let's see, the plus goes here and the minus here. Let's put back the multimeter and wow, it's so weak. Yeah, that's it. I hope this helps, and if it does, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.